Imagine cruising down a quiet road, not in a car, not on a bike, but in a pedal-powered tiny home on 3 wheels. This isn't a dream or some futuristic fantasy. This is real. This is the 2026 Kevin Cyr Camper Tricycle RV. And what you're about to see might just change how you think about freedom, shelter, and the future of off-grid living. The first time you see it, your brain tries to catch up. Is it a sculpture? A weird art installation? Nope. It's a fully functional, mobile, human-powered home. Kevin Cyr, the mind behind this creation, has blurred the lines between transportation, shelter, and art. The camper tricycle isn't just a quirky idea, it's a powerful message. It's a symbol of survival, independence, and rethinking what it means to call a place home. You start pedaling and instantly feel it. It's not about speed, it's about purpose. This vehicle is made to move slowly through the world, allowing you to experience life moment by moment. The Trike's sturdy steel frame supports a fully built mini camper, complete with insulation, small storage spaces, and enough room to rest your body and recharge your soul. It's not luxury, but it's enough. Enough to escape the chaos. Enough to survive. Enough to live simply, freely. And that's the magic. In a time where rents are skyrocketing and people are drowning in housing costs, this tiny trike offers an escape hatch. It's not just a conversation starter, it's a lifestyle rebellion. No electricity bills. No landlords. No stress. Just you, the road, and your pedal-powered shelter that goes wherever your legs can take you. Take a closer look and you'll see it's not some cheap gimmick. The craftsmanship is real. Kevin Cyr has thought through every detail. From the reinforced camper walls to the multifunctional interior, it's a masterclass in minimalist design. There's room to sleep, room to store essentials, and even space for solar panels if you want to go fully off-grid. It's compact, but it's clever. Every inch matters. Now picture this, you're parked on a beach. The wind is gentle. The sun's going down. And instead of packing up and heading back to a hotel or campsite, you step inside your camper trike and call it a night. Tomorrow, you'll wake up to the sound of waves and keep moving, one pedal at a time. It's not just travel, it's freedom on a level most people can't even imagine. But it's not just about adventure. Imagine the impact this could have for the homeless. For people who've been priced out of the system. For those who've fallen through the cracks. What Kevin Cyr built for art might just be the blueprint for survival. A rolling shelter that costs less than a few months' rent, doesn't need fuel, and gives back dignity, independence, and mobility. And in a world that feels more unstable by the day, this little trike camper is suddenly relevant. Climate change, housing crises, inflation. This thing is a quiet answer to all of it. A tiny home. A mobile escape pod. A declaration of independence that doesn't need gasoline, mortgages, or a parking lot. So, is this the future of travel? Of housing? Of survival? Maybe. Or maybe it's just the start of something bigger. Either way, one thing is certain, you'll never look at the road the same way again. And if you're still watching, maybe that little spark inside you, the one that dreams of freedom, is finally awake.